I really wanted to keep this makeup and the hair because it looks so beautiful, but I can't because I literally have no video ideas. So I thought, why not? I'll just get rid of this makeup while I talk about a few things that I'm doing at Cuffs and Lashes. I look like a schoolgirl. I'm using Quench Ka Dirt Dissolving Cleansing Balm. Oh, how I wish to launch a cleansing balm. But I've been working on a few products, especially in the skincare category, especially in the sunscreen category. Yes, I'm going to drop some bombs here, you guys. I've been seeing a lot of discourse around sunscreen, especially Indian brands ko lekar ke, that the UV filters are very old, the formulation is not that great. So I thought of taking that in my own hands, and I've started working on a project that should launch by the start of April 2026, and I'm really excited about it. So yes, I want to come here and talk to you guys and also get a lot of your inputs because I'm launching a tinted sunscreen and a body lotion sunscreen. This is also a sample face wash that I'm working on. The formula is locked because I've been working on the formula for the past 6 months. The stability has been done. The base has come out to be beautiful. It has amazing ingredients, great UV filters, and trust me, you're going to love it. Now you guys know from day one, Cuffs and Lashes has always been about inclusivity. जब हमने cover pots launch करे थे, we tried to prove it with our limited resources, and when we are launching sunscreen, obviously we are going to focus on as many shades as possible, जितना हमारी pocket allow करेगी. But for that to happen, I also need to know what undertones should I work on, so that अगर मैं 9-10 shades भी launch करती हूँ, we could have like a good shade range wherein we can cater most of the people. I'm also working on a body lotion with SPF, but again, I need your help because I am going to roll out a few of them with fragrance, without fragrance. What kind of fragrance would you want? How intense should it be? Fragrance free तो for sure होगा ही होगा, but if I do a fragrance वाला version, what kind of fragrance would you like? Would you like a fruity fragrance or a sweet fragrance? I want to know everything under this video. Ever since I started Cuffs and Lashes, you guys have been a very integral part of everything that I've built. In fact, a few of my products came from you guys. For example, the F19 brush, that was one of you guys who suggested me to make, and that is why it exists. You guys trusted me when I launched the lip mask. You guys loved it. In fact, this is the reason why I'm venturing into the skincare category. This has been one of the most viral products that we have rolled out. People buy like 4 or 5 of these. Like if you have been one of that person, please do comment. So now that we are venturing into the sunscreen category, I really want inputs from you guys. I don't want redundant shades. I don't want old formulations. I'm launching new formulations, new UV filters with great ingredients in it. That's not just going to work for your face, but for your body as well. Because now that the story is out of the bag, I'm going to talk about it a lot, and I want your input at every single step. So just pour in everything that you want from this product in the comment section, and I'll update you guys in my next video.